Hello everyone, please excuse my English. My name is Fiorella Nava. I graduated in Architecture and Urbanism in Arequipa, Peru. I am currently a participant in the Young Scientist program at the Blue Marble Space Institute of Science in the project Designing Future Human Habitat on the Moon and Mars. I am passionate about astronomy, astrobiology, and architecture. I grew up surrounded by books, drawings, stars, and dreams. Today I want to share with you the project in development Domus Arsia, where architecture and science meet to imagine future habitats beyond Earth. Leonardo da Vinci believed that nature was the great teacher and that by observing it carefully we could reveal forms and relationships that would otherwise remain hidden. By observing the Martian lava in Arsia Mons, inactive for millions of years, and by seeing their geometry and the light that passes through them, it generates a first approach, a first pulse that will guide us to discovering our designs. In this case, with the help of the pencil and artificial intelligence. The craters in Arsia Mons are mounds of lava tubes. The tubes were formed when the edges of a lava flow cooled, leading underground. Channels through which the lava continued to flow. When it drained, a natural void remained. Science recognizes that this tube can provide protection against radiation, micrometeorites impacts, and extreme temperature variation can benefit for future human habitats. This leads us to a powerful duality that can be seen in the videos. From the beginning, this project tried to design a refuge on Mars to create a first spot capable of housing approximately 100 people. I started with freehand sketches, translated questions into drawing, then I passed to sketches to the investigation, to the reference, and to the imaging with artificial intelligence. My idea started from a basic shape, an orbital ring. At the beginning, it was quite difficult. The artificial intelligence interprets what I imagined and drew, and it still has error, but it has approached a first idea of habitats. Later on, I imagined Lumina, a companion robot that will help to build and illuminate the interior of this lava tube. This robot had to be the extension of the human brain, the extension of our minds, and the almost telepathic advance that we will possibly have in the future. Moreover, it's become part of the structure of the project is necessary, extending our hands there where the human being still cannot reach. Through this process, sketches bronze by Dios and design trails, I arrived at Domus Arsia, a first habitat born in the duality of Arsia Mons. It is a semi-exposed to the hostility of the surface, but protected in the calm of its interior, creating a natural atmosphere where it will be disconcerted by means of elevation and ramps. Well, and here we start with this new project between human imagination, the use of technologies, and Mars. At the beginning, we observed Arsia Mons, a dormant volcano with its vast hostile exterior landscape and its very silent interior caverns. Two opposite and inseparable worlds, the interior and exterior duality that appear show at that designing on Mars. More than restraining walls and roof will link the human being with their new home in the cosmos. and thus we return to the beginning, to the nature as our teacher for survival. I want to deeply thank my advisor, Dr. Jean Blanc, and the Blue Marble Space Institute of Science for this very beautiful experience. Thank you.